Hey, what's up, you guys? Favorite producer Don, and today I'm going to show you how I make Anderson Paak type beats. Listen, you didn't see the first video, it's all good because I got you. We're going to do it all over again, more in depth. Let's get into it. All right. So the first thing I want to talk about is the groove. The groove is probably going to be one of the most important things in making an Anderson Paak instrumental. It's pretty much a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 at a crash. Keep it groovy, but not too groovy because that can throw your artist off. I'm using the Abbey 70s kit because I can compress and EQ everything individually. However you do it is up to you. Alright, so this is what I call the main. I know it said Rhodes, but I call this the main because this is the main part of the beat that will probably lock your audience in. If you play it right and you do the research and you find the right keys, the next step will be to use the right VSTs. I'm using Scarbee vintage keys by Native Instruments. I also threw a guitar rig on top for some, added flavor. I call it hot sauce. You can literally throw a guitar rig on anything. Vocals, bass lines, drums, it don't matter. It will turn it from 1 to 100. Take my advice, it works. Scarbee vintage keys, find the right keys, play them, guaranteed hit. Alright, so this may be the most crucial part of making an Anderson Paak instrumental. The reason why is the bass line. The bass line gotta be groovy. The bass line gotta be funky, and the bass line gotta make somebody dance, all right? That's important. This is the part where people are gonna really feel it. Take the time out, figure out what keys you're gonna be playing for that bass part, right? Change up things here and there, not too much, keep it in the pocket. Next step is what? Use those VSTs that make you sound like a goat. I'm using the Scarbee Rickenbacker bass. It's funky, as usual. I threw guitar rig on top for some added flavor. Yippee! All right, so check this out. For this part, I actually didn't play the guitar. I had one of my homies, Demigod Q, do his thing, and we're gonna pan to him, so take it away, Q.
Howdy y'all, I'm Q from The Q Show. Let's take a look at how I got the guitar tones used on this track. Got my thing here, gonna open this plugin up, and this is where it gets interesting. You'll notice that the only thing I have used is cab sim and the reverb behind it. So how did I get the rest of the guitar? I used a real amp in real life, but not just by miking it or using the DI out. I used something called a reactive load box. This allows you to plug straight into your speaker out on a really nice amplifier and run that straight into the computer. Let me show you what it sounds like without the plugin. So you can probably hear that it sounds a little bright, like almost ice picky, but that's great because once I apply the speaker sim, you're gonna hear it sound a lot smoother, so check it out. See? So that kind of mellows it out, and because I recorded it direct in, I have way more control over like mic placement. I slap on a little reverb and you've got what I feel is a very usable tone. Super smooth, fits right in.
All right, so now we've come to my favorite portion of making an Anderson Paak beat, really beats in general, and that's the piano. I'll call it icing on the cake or sprinkles on top. The reason why is because all we're doing is playing really cool or simple things that complement the main. That's it, guys. Then use the right VSTs to make you sound good. I'm using the Alicia Keys piano, no effects, nothing tweaked out, just how it is. And that's it. Yiddy! Alright, so listen, that's it. We did it again. Part 2 is done. That's everything you need to know from my perspective. So if you got any questions, drop them in the comments. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. I really appreciate it. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content. Like the video, share it with your friends, and let me know how you feel in the comments, man. I really appreciate it. Peace.